1-800-697-3901. The National Weather Service in Colombia has issued a The National Weather Service in Colombia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in central South Carolina, East Central Calhoun County in central South Carolina, Northern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Sumter County in central South Carolina, Southeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Eastover, or near McIntyre Air Base, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Sumter, Bishopville, McIntyre Air Base, South Sumter, Shaw Air Base, Eastover, Oakland, Woods Bay State Park, Elliott, Mulberry, Lee State Park, Sumter County Airport, Gadsden, Millwood, Poinsett State Park, Turville, Maceville, Pinewood, and Lynchburg. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 111 and 126. Interstate 95 between mile markers 126 and 146. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for